So I recently joined the Standard Post Challenge, and right now we're on day 23, so we're 23 days in, and I want to just share with you how it has changed my life. Now, okay, that might sound a little bit dramatic, right? Like, it's changed your life, but yes, it has, because I challenged myself to post every single day, and right now I'm being into day 23, like, there's been an identity shift. They say that it takes about 21 days to form a habit, and I'm past that mark, but I do feel like something happens right around like day 22. Like, day 22 was the day that I sat down and I realized that I had a little more clarity on exactly what I was building, what I was creating, who I was creating for. And those are the things that a lot of times we try to plan at the whiteboard, right? We want to have all that stuff right out of the gate. Once we come out, we want to know that our message is going to land. Like, it has to be perfect. I want to make sure that it resonates. But when I joined that challenge, let me tell you, it was on a whim. I actually did not have any plans to try to like build or grow an Instagram. Like, I really was like, I'm going to be committing to YouTube. But let me tell you how it actually helped me in my YouTube journey. Number one, it helped me to get comfortable with being visible. It also helped me to build the muscle of creating daily. And it provided some kind of structure so that I didn't have to overthink it. And I'm learning so much from this journey, but I would say that it got me out of my comfort zone, because when there's structure, sometimes I just like to check the box. That's just how my brain is. And so it's helped me in that way, but it's really helped me to get quicker and to get quicker at even editing and things like that. Some of the stuff, like, I didn't even know how to edit Instagram Reels or anything like that. Like, this stuff was completely new to me, right? And now I know how to use maybe CapCut a little bit. I'm learning about keyframes. I'm learning about things that I probably didn't know before. That's going to, and it's helping me in my YouTube journey. During the challenge also too, because I was already in motion, I'm like, you know what? Let me start the YouTube channel. I posted up my first, YouTube video. All of these things happened because I was in motion, not at the drawing board. And I think that's something that I'm learning. And I'm really living it doesn't have to be perfect. Get it out there and we perfect it as we go. We learn, we take everything as data. And so this really has been an experimentation for me. Like, it's been an experiment. I'm playing with different types of content to see, what aligns, what feels good, because you can think about something, right? You can think, oh, I want to talk about this, or I want to have messages about that. But until you are actually out there creating it, you'll realize that, you know what, this is aligned with me, or this does feel exciting to talk about, right? And you also get to see how people respond as well too, and that's data. So all of those are data. Like, the data is how aligned it feels when you're actually creating that type of content. Also, data is how your audience responds, right? So there's so much that I'm learning, and I feel like I should have, actually sat down and planned and, sketch out a script of what I'm learning in this process. But I really just wanted to turn on the camera and talk to you about, sometimes we don't have to have it all mapped out. When I joined this whole challenge, it was on a whim, but I'm learning so much in the process. And I guess the key takeaway, if there's anything, if you're waiting for clarity before you make a move, sometimes clarity comes at point B, but you're still at point A waiting for clarity or waiting to have it all figured out. But if you just move to point B, you might get that answer that's going to get you into point C. And then at point C, you'll get an answer that will get you to point D. So, but the thing is, you have to get from point A. You just got to move, because that's where all the things in the clarity comes. It comes in the motion. And that's what I'm learning. One thing I also want to say too, right, is I'm really finding my rhythm as a mom of 6, as someone who is trying to just, rebuild and create. And I'm trying to find my rhythm. And so, like, right now I am on my road driving slow and I am recording. I'm not even looking at the camera right now. I'm looking at the road. But I'm just trying to find a space, because yesterday I tried to record for my YouTube channel and I was doing it outside, but it didn't work out because having the kids and all these different things. So right now I'm testing and I'm experimenting to find out what space works for me. I'm testing the experiment, what feels natural, and all these different things. And this is the things that you learn from doing, not at the drawing board. Because when I had it all mapped out, I was saying, oh, I'm going to be creating at my kitchen table. I was going to be doing this, or, you know, I had a place in mind where it was going to happen and when it was going to happen, but it's not happening that way. And right now I just turned on the camera in the car on my road because the kids are calm, and maybe this might be a place that I can talk. Maybe after school pickup or something like that, I get to the school early and turn the camera on while I'm waiting in line or something like that. These are all the things that I'm just figuring out right now, but I can't figure this out at the drawing board. These answers come in the doing. So I want to share that with you. Start it. Whatever it is that you want to do, just start it. You're going to get answers as your emotion, as you take steps. The perfecting comes from the action that you take. Perfection doesn't happen right out the gate. So that's it. That's my second YouTube video, because I'm just going to post this just as I'm going to post this. This is my second YouTube video, and I'm so excited that you are here. And I just want to say to my first subscribers, I see you and I am so excited. You don't understand. I celebrated when I saw those first comments, and when I saw that you subscribed. Like, it means so much to me. So I just want to say that I'm so excited that you are here and that you are on this journey with me, and I am looking forward to cheering you on as well too. So please let me know in the comments, like, what you're working on, what's your dream, what's your goal, or whatever. I want to celebrate you, you know, and root for you as well too. So let's do this together. Alrighty, I'm about to pull up to my house right now and get these kids out, but thanks for chatting with me.